Good morning, everyone. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make these really cute leather teardrop earrings. These are so fun for summer, and you would not believe just how easy it is to create them. So you can use any kind of earring hook that you want, but I'm going to show you how to use this one here because it's the easiest and the quickest way to put together these little earrings. So I actually got these leather cutouts from a little shop on Etsy, and I will make sure I put the link down below. And the hooks I picked up at Hobby Lobby. You could find them at Michael's, or even Walmart has them. So today I have two different designs of earrings here, and these ones come with the little hole already cut in the top of them, perfect for putting the earring hook through. So I'm just going to take the little hook here and put the ball side through the hole. Now you can actually go the other direction, but then you have to worry about getting it all the way up and around that little hook. So I just find it easier to stick that ball right through the hole because it's a little bit stretchy. So then I use my scissors and just cut off the very sharp tip of that leather piece there. That way it doesn't get caught in the earring itself. And that is how easy it is. You guys can make a whole bunch of these. These would be really cute for bridesmaid gifts this summer, or birthday gifts, anything. And you can make them with your kids. So make sure you take a look at that shop that I linked down below to get some of these. You can also, if you go on Etsy, you can find them just about everywhere. Or I'm going to have a video coming out in the next week or so with how to actually cut your own leather shapes in a couple different designs. That way you can make your own start to finish. So there's the finished set. And I actually made 4 sets of these earrings. They came in a package of 4 from the Etsy shop. So these are the ones that I finished. They're so cute, and I just can't wait to wear them this summer. Make sure that if you're not already subscribed, that you subscribe to my channel for more DIY, and give this video a thumbs up if you like it and you want to see more like this. Thanks for stopping by.